In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize notes in Google Keep. If you're someone who loves jotting down ideas or maintaining to-do lists but finds it challenging to keep everything in order, this tutorial is just what you need. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open your Google browser and head over to the Google Keep website by typing keep.google.com in the address bar. Once you're on the site, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Go ahead and select the account you want to keep your notes in. After making your selection, enter your password and then click on Next. With that, you should now be in your Google Keep dashboard, ready to start organizing your notes. Once you're in, you'll likely see a list of notes you've already created. To organize them, let's start by adding labels. It's a great way to categorize your notes. At the bottom of any note, you'll notice 3 dots, commonly referred to as the More Options icon. Go ahead and click on that. From the menu that appears, select Add Label. Here you have the option to type a new label name, something like shopping or ideas, depending on your needs, or you can choose from an existing label. Labels act like folders that you can sort your notes into, making them much easier to find when you need them. Another helpful way to organize your notes is by using color coding. Click the palette icon you'll find at the bottom of a note. You can assign different colors for different types of notes. For example, you might use yellow for personal thoughts and blue for work notes. This visual categorization can make scanning through your notes much quicker and easier, especially when you're in a hurry. Now, let's talk about pinning important notes. If there's a note you want to keep at the forefront, click the pin icon that looks like a thumbtack located in the top right corner of the note. This ensures it stays at the top of your list, so you won't have to scroll down to find those important reminders or action items. Lastly, when you have a note that you no longer need instant access to but don't want to delete, you can archive it. Look for the archive icon at the bottom of a note. It appears as a box with a down arrow. Clicking this will remove the note from your main view and store it in the archive section, allowing you to declutter your main interface without losing any information. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to organizing your notes in Google Keep. By using labels, colors, pinning, and archiving, you can create a streamlined, effective system that keeps all your thoughts, reminders, and checklists tidy and always at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.